Good morning. You guys can move in a little bit closer. Thank you for coming. I appreciate that kind of short notice. A few people that I wanted to introduce this morning. To my right is my Chief Deputy, Marv DeShill from the Canyon County Sheriff's Office, and to my left is Captain Mike Armstrong, also with the Canyon County Sheriff's Office. And both of these gentlemen have been very involved in leading our efforts to get to the point that we are today. And also why I'm introducing folks. Brian Taylor, prosecuting attorney for Canyon County, is here, but will not be staying up here today. And also we want to thank the United States Marshal Service for their assistance in this matter through literally several years of operation. And of course, the government of Mexico, I want to also thank them for their cooperation and assistance in this matter. Today is quite frankly a very good day. I'll lead with that. This is a day that we have been looking forward to, and I can assure you this is a day that the family members of the victim in this case, Ms. Sanchez, and her children have looked for this day for many years. It's hard. It's hard for them. They are not here today for the obvious reasons. I have spoken with them on a couple of occasions today and brought them up to speed. They are, I will say, relieved that Mr. Diaz is in custody, in my custody here at the Canyon County Sheriff's Office, and that he will be facing accountability for the alleged crimes that you have all listed on your paper, up to and including murder in the second degree. On the date this happened, this violent crime happened back in June of 2015. It was late in the evening, around 11 p.m. when Canyon County Sheriff's Office received a phone call that this had occurred, that a shooting had occurred, and Ms. Sanchez had been killed by Mr. Diaz, allegedly by Mr. Diaz. We worked very strenuously throughout that night and the coming days to put up a net to apprehend Mr. Diaz. Unfortunately, Mr. Diaz had most likely some assistance outside of this area, and he was able to flee this jurisdiction and flee into the country of Mexico. That started a 6-year manhunt for Mr. Diaz. Again, we have worked very strenuously, and I cannot give compliments enough to our detective division, led by Detective Gately and others who have worked continuously on this case, kept in contact with the family continuously, and worked on apprehension of Mr. Diaz. As you all know, in June of this year, literally 6 years later, with the assistance of federales in the country of Mexico and some assistance from the United States Marshal Service here in the United States, Mr. Diaz was taken into custody in the country of Mexico. That started, of course, a proceeding of extradition. It has been a long 5 months, and I appreciate the efforts of our prosecuting attorney, Brian Taylor, and his staff that have worked tirelessly in helping guide us through that very difficult process of extradition. But today, we can say that as of last night, that we have taken Mr. Diaz into custody, into the Canyon County Jail, after being extradited from the country of Mexico yesterday in the process of traveling here, and then by the United States Marshal Service, where Mr. Diaz was handed off to our authorities from our office in the city of Boise late yesterday evening. So, a couple of things that I would like to point out. Again, Mr. Diaz, as you saw, has been indicted. He was indicted in June of 2016, which is basically an arrest warrant. And he has 5 felony charges that he is facing under that indictment. Today, he will face arraignment, his first appearance in the court of law here in Canyon County in the 3rd Judicial District. Mr. Diaz is innocent until proven guilty for these alleged crimes. But I can tell you that this is a day that we have looked forward to for some time. All the people involved in this case. And I can also tell you that this case does highlight and emphasize the face of domestic violence in our society. This is clearly, unequivocally, a domestic violence case, and a person lost their life because of it. And not only did that woman lose her life, her children have been affected not since just that night, but for the rest of their entire lives. And their extended family has been affected. And this community has been affected. And this state and this nation. We must all pause and look very closely at this matter, at this issue, because it is ongoing. And it will continue to go until society steps up and does something about this tremendous epidemic. That may or may not have saved Ms. Sanchez. But her death, to me, is a pinnacle point that we must always remember what that family did go through and will go through because of domestic violence. We are very happy that Mr. Diaz is in our custody. I know that you've all been provided with an updated photo. Mr. Diaz has at this time a $5 million bond associated with that indictment/warrant. As I said, he will make his first appearance today at 1:30 through his arraignment, where he will face a judge, and that will start the proceedings. And this is going to take some time. This is not over quickly, right? The judicial process, but he will be given a fair trial if that's what he prefers, and he will go through the adjudication process just like anyone else. So, with that, I would stand for any questions. As I say, Prosecuting Attorney Brian Taylor, who we have great respect and great appreciation for him and his staff who have helped bring us to this day, is here. He may or may not be able to answer any questions, but we will start there. So if you have any questions, please.
Sure. Can you tell us about what it was like over the last 5 months to work with Mexico and to try to get him here?
That's a great question. There's been ups and downs, right? As you can imagine, with a foreign country. I can tell you that I personally was in Washington, D.C. A couple of times during this process, and I personally met with our Senator Jim Risch, who was very instrumental in helping me navigate and helping us navigate some of the waters of the provincial warrant that had to be obtained and then issued. And so Senator Risch was very helpful, very knowledgeable man. So it's a complicated process, but I can tell you at the end of the day, their process is a little different than ours, but they were cooperative. And the assistance that they gave us through the federales and never giving up. There was really no different than our team that we have here. They too never gave up, and they helped keep our confidentiality, and they understood what we were up against. And so once we were able to get that warrant, and once we were able to get those pieces in place, once he was taken into custody, things slowed down again, because then the country of Mexico has their own process because of the extradition, right? And so we were told very politely by the Department of Justice here, it's going to take a little bit to let their process take its course, and then we can step back in again. And that's what happened. So once that process got done, about a week ago, we were notified, and things happened very quickly right after that. So I commend the country of Mexico, the officials, the administration, for not just allowing us to take part in this process, but to help guide us, if you will, and then be accommodating throughout the process.
Can you tell us the demeanor of Mr. Diaz, and how he has reacted to being transferred?
Well, I can't speak for him personally, but I don't think he's exactly happy that he is here. And I think he's not exactly happy that he's here because he understands, again, I think unequivocally, that he now will be held accountable for his alleged crimes. And I don't know that he believed we would ever get to him. But we made a promise, that you know me very well. I promised the day it happened, we will never, ever stop hunting this man or any other alleged criminal like this, because this is what we do. and we're pretty good at it, but we've had some stumbling blocks in this thing, but we never, ever gave up hope, and we wanted we never gave up our insistence that we were going to find him and make him face prosecution, make him be accountable, and in doing so, it was very important to us to never give up hope for that family. Because I can tell you, we have been in constant contact for 6 years, many, many meetings. You probably know that I've worked with the two of the daughters of the victim in legislative action and this case being the pinnacle of that. We've been very close over the years, and they've developed a very close relationship with our detectives, our victim witness coordinators, and so this has been a difficult case because there's such distance and those hurdles that we had to face. But I'm so proud of this agency, all of our partners, United States Marshals Service, Prosecuting Attorney's Office, and many others, that no one ever veered off course. We knew that this day would come, and we have been patient, and we have been fighting to get here ever since.
Have you spoken with him personally, and if so, can you share what he said to you?
I have not. I refrained from going over to the jail last night when he arrived. I was inclined to do so, but I refrained from doing so I can't speak to that.
Mr. Diaz, a United States citizen?
That's a great question. Right now, I can tell you that Mr. Diaz is here in our facility, in our country, and right now, Mr. Diaz has an immigration detainer placed upon him by the Department of Homeland Security, and that is the status as I know it. So, although there's been some discussion of that, that's the most up-to-date. I can tell you, I've seen the paperwork, and the Department of Homeland Security has placed an immigration detainer on him for right now. That's his status. Any other questions? Well, let me close by just saying thank you for coming out today. This, as I said, is a very good day for us. It's a good day for law enforcement. It's a good day for the judicial system. Certainly a good day for this family. And quite frankly, we are encouraged, and we are looking forward to the next several months through the adjudication process and to see what that brings. So thank you, and we will see what happens in his first appearance today. Thanks.